Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove all the devices from your Google account. So the first step is you want to go to google.com and here you want to make sure you are signed to your account from which you want to remove devices. Click on it in top right corner, then manage your Google account. Here you can go to this security and sign in, or you can use this search bar to search for devices. Now it will show you devices security. You want to open this first option. And here you can see all of the devices which has access to this account. So you can see I was using it on macOS, on my Android phone, and also on the Windows. Those things you see right here are the sessions. Now if I want to remove this macOS as a device or your phone, you can click on any of those sessions. It will ask you for the password to verify it's you firstly. Here you can see apps and the services and the browsers which has access. And to remove this device, you just want to click on sign out. This is the only way how you can remove devices. There is no like permanent deleted device button. The thing is, if you are signing out of your device, it doesn't stop someone from signing back in if they know the password. So if you are removing the device because it was lost or stolen, the real fix is to change your Google password. That basically kicks every device off except the one you are using. So that's good to know, and that's how you can remove devices in Google account. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.